po backward. Okay. It's okay. Dito mo harap kayo na ate. Backward ka pa. Backward. Ayan. Backward ate. Backward. Okay. Dito ka. Okay na ate. Before we start, magpapakilala po ang event team ng Kidzuna yan. Santo Tomas ay ating racial host for today. Together with my partners in high to Ate Tere. Siguro nagtataka kayo kung bakit dito yung suot ni ate. Kasi meron itong relate sa ating gagawin arts and crafts. Pero bago yun, mag-warm up muna tayo. Alam niyo ba yung kantang Twinkle Twinkle Little Star? Okay, gagawin niyo muna si na ate. Pakinggan niyo muna. Tapos yung next, sasabayan niyo na si na ate. Okay, ito po yung ating warm-up. Now twinkle, traffic lights on the corner shining bright. Red means stop, green means slow, yellow means very, very slow. One more ha? Sabayin na kung alam niyo yung song. Okay. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic lights on the corner shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means very, very slow. Ayan, one more time. Twinkle, twinkle, traffic lights on the corner shining bright. Red means stop, green means go, yellow means very, very slow. Ayan. Sit down naman na tayo. Dito muna, what's up? Dito muna sa unahan. Dito muna sa floor. Then, explain muna ni ate. Makinig muna kayo ni ate. I-demo muna natin yung arts and crafts natin. Then, pag nandun na kayo sa table, bibigyan na namin kayo ng mga kailangan. Tapos kayo na po ang gagawa. Ang arts and crafts natin today is traffic light. Sino may alam ng traffic light? Ang first thing natin is yung first step natin, yung unang circle, sa pinakataas, didikatan natin ang kulay red na colored paper. Ganito na nga, didikatan nyo. Yung next step, sunod na step ay didikatan nyo na cut out na yellow na colored paper. I-fill nyo lang yung circle. Then yung third step and last, yung circle is i-fill nyo lang ng kulay green na cut-out na colored paper. Okay? Madali lang, diba kids? Stand up na tayo, then sit na tayo sa ating chairs. And wait nyo lang, bigyan kayo na natin ang ating materials.